Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify admin easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type shopify.com into the address bar. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. In the email address field, enter the email associated with your Shopify account. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password. Double-check your entries for any mistakes. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button. You may be prompted to verify your identity with two-factor authentication if enabled. Check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click Submit or Verify. Once verified, you will be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Shopify admin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.